Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on Green's theorem. Let us solve the problem. Evaluate integration of f bar dot dr bar where f bar is y square I minus x square j over the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, and therefore to obtain that line integral by Green's theorem, we have integration of m dx plus m dy over cos c is equals to double integration of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y with respect to xy over region R, closed region R. And here that closed region is finding that value of m dx plus m dy by performing a dot product of f bar with a dr bar. We get, we call this equation 1. F bar is y square I minus x square j, a dot product with dr bar. Dr bar is dxi plus dyj, and as per the definition of dot product, it is a1 b1 plus a2 b2, and therefore we get that value as y square dx minus x square dy. And therefore, comparing with this term m dx plus n dy, we get m is the coefficient of dx, here it is y square, and n is the coefficient of dy, here it is minus x square. Then differentiating m with respect to y, we get its derivative as 2y, and differentiation of n with respect to x, it is minus 2x, and therefore that value of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x is minus 2x minus dou m by dou y minus 2y. We can take minus 2 common, it is x plus y, and therefore that integration of f bar dot dr bar means that value is y square dx minus x square dy, y square dx minus x square dy over cos c is equals to double integration of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, and that value is minus 2 times x plus y with respect to xy over region R. We call this equation 2, where that curve is a circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square, standard circle, center at origin and radius as a. This much is the radius of that circle. Therefore, with that center and radius, if we draw that circle, we get circle whose equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Over that region, we have to find the value of the double integration, and therefore to evaluate the double integration, it is easy if we convert it into polar form, and therefore converting in polar form using, put x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta, it is equals to R is here A, therefore it is A cos theta, and Y is A sin theta, and therefore squaring and adding this, we get x square plus y square is equal to a square cos square plus a square sin square. We get x square plus y square is nothing but r square. Squaring and adding this, we get r square is equal to x square plus y square, and therefore replacing this x square plus y square by that r square, we get r square is equal to a square, means r is equal to e, and therefore this circle in polar form, it is r is equals to e. And when we are performing in polar form, first integration is with respect to r and then with respect to theta. Therefore, converting this in polar form. When we convert into polar form, we have to draw the elongated strip whose lower end is always on the pole and upper end on that curve. And first integration is with respect to r. Therefore, at pole we have r is equal to 0, and upper end it lies on that circle. Equation is r is equal to a. Therefore, these are the limits for r, and then that strip we move from this line theta is equals to 0 to line theta is equals to pi by 2 to get this first quadrant part, and we have similar 4 parts, and therefore making 4 times, and limits for theta changes from theta is equals to 0 to theta is equals to pi by 2, and then performing that integration we get minus 8 integration from 0 to pi by 2. A also we can take constant outside. Remaining terms are cos theta plus sin theta, and integration of r with respect to r is r square by 2, limit from 0 to a, and then its integration with respect to theta. Dividing by 2 we get here, it is minus 4a, integration from 0 to pi by 2, cos theta plus sin theta as it is, no change, cos theta plus sin theta as it is, and substitute upper and lower limit. Upper limit for r is a, therefore it is a square minus lower limit 0, and then its integration with respect to theta. Therefore we get a square, taking outside the integral sign, we get minus 4a cube integrating each term with respect to theta. Integration of cos is sin theta, and integration of sin is minus cos theta, and limits from 0 to pi by 2. And therefore substituting the limits, we get minus 4a cube sin pi by 2 minus sin 0 is 0, minus cos of pi by 2 minus cos 0 is 1, and therefore we get the value as minus 4a cube into the value of sin pi by 2 is 1, minus minus it become plus, cos pi by 2 is 0, therefore it is plus 1, 1 plus 1 we get 2, into this 4 we have minus 8a cube as the answer, or the value of that line integral f bar dot dr by Green's theorem. One more I will discuss in my next video on Green's theorem. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new videos or new updates. Thank you. Thank you very much.